Good morning, rollers, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today we're going to do something a little fun, maybe like a little challenge. So I am going to let the boys pick out their food at the grocery store. That's right, I'm going to take them to the local store, which is VONS, and I'm going to give them $25 again. If you've watched, I have another Kids Choice haul, and so we're going to do that again, but we're going to primarily be thinking of breakfast and lunch and snacks. So I'm going to take Jonas first, and we're going to head to VONS. Let's go. So first off, as Jonas wants to do sandwiches this week. So we're at the deli because these yummy meats are on sale and it's gonna be good. So do you have more ideas about what you'd like to get?
Yes.
All right, lead the way. So tell me what you're looking at.
Gushers.
Gushers or?
Fruit roll-ups.
All right, so what did you decide?
Fruit roll-ups.
Why?
Because they're the same price for 10.
Oh, and the other one only has 6. Wow. You can really add. He thought he'd get a candy to go. What candy did you get?
King size Reese's.
Well, that was pretty easy. It only took a few minutes, and we'll show you what he got when we get home.
Okay.
And then it'll be Ezra's turn. It's so much, like this store is pretty close by, so it's not a big deal to just take one kid at a time, which is probably better so that he can focus.
Did the math, and it came out to 23 minutes and $23.
$23 and 23 minutes. Okay, so I'm ready to show. Are you ready to show?
Yes.
Okay, these are the items that he chose for breakfast and lunch for the week. So do you want to show breakfast?
Mm-hmm. Biscuit, egg, and cheese and bacon.
Egg and bacon and eggs and bacon and cheese. Now, do you think you'll take the egg portion out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my kids do that. They're not huge fans of egg, but there's 4 of them in there, and we actually have stuff here. Now, remember, so we still have a freezer of things that they can choose from. I just wanted them to kind of focus the hunger in a certain direction and just show them what they could get. So he got that for breakfast, and for lunch.
Okay. Sourdough baked fresh.
Oh gosh, you guys, I love sourdough. Let me know in the comments below if you're a fan of sourdough bread. I actually didn't know that they had that available as a French bread pickup. I didn't even realize that.
You're welcome.
Well, that's yours. Maybe I'll have a little taste. And
Turkey.
so that's what we went to the deli for. So good. The pan, it's called pan seared or pan cooked or pan something.
Pan cooked.
Pan cooked. It's so good.
Okay.
And then
Got sour fruit roll-ups.
sour fruit roll-ups as a snack with it, and
Chewy Chips Ahoy.
that's what he wanted. So he's gonna have to like give himself a limit. We saw him contemplating what he needed to do to make that limit happen with the fruit roll-ups versus the fruit gushers. So that was pretty cool. And then he got some treats.
Reese's and Mentos.
And then to drink,
Coca-Cola Zero.
so we limit our kids to 1 glass a day, and so he'll have to drink water. Otherwise, they've been pretty good about it, except when we go out to dinner and stuff like that. But all in all, this came out to $23, like he's mentioned. And how do you feel about this?
Good.
I feel like this is gonna last a day or 2. But at least we can kind of get him understanding. Maybe, I'm sure this won't last more. I'm sure this will last more than 2 days, but maybe not. We'll see. You need to try. You need to try. So let's go see who's next. Any ideas what you're gonna get?
Breakfast.
You want to get breakfast stuff? And Ezra, do you have an idea?
Yep.
Yep. Good idea. Good. I can't wait to see. Looking at the snacks first. Okay. Ooh, look at all the cereal. Pushing the cart. You're so cute. All right, so we worked with Jonas, and now we're going to work with Ezra and Kobe to complete our kids' choice for their breakfast and lunches and snacks. Let's see what they pick. Okay, I had to adjust all of our tripod and stuff because he's just so tall. Do you know how tall you are?
Like 6'2".
Probably pushing 6'3", you guys. Okay, let's see what you chose. Want to show us?
Oh, I got strawberry Pop-Tarts.
And those are because...
They're the best ones. Strawberry are the best flavor.
If you have Pop-Tarts, what's your favorite flavor?
I got 2 boxes of home-style Eggos because those are the best Eggos.
Lego my Eggo. Remember those? You might not. You might be too young. They used to have a
I
whole
remember.
commercial.
I remember.
Yeah.
I got pina colada naked juice because it's the best flavor.
And there you go, throwing in some healthy. Because everything else is not, you guys. But that's okay.
I got some apple pies because apple pie is the best flavor.
You know what I haven't seen very often, and maybe you have or not, I don't know, because he goes shopping sometimes without us. Chocolate cream pies, those little mini ones.
No, the apple are better.
I like the little chocolate ones. I don't get them very often, obviously.
And then the last thing I got was the Jimmy Dean biscuit, sausage, egg, cheese,
and sausage.
Breakfast.
Now, Jonas picked the bacon ones. So
yeah, I would have chosen bacon, but there wasn't any bacon left because the bacon's the best one. But you know,
okay,
sausage is good too.
That was about $25. We'll see how long it lasts. Knowing this guy might be like a couple days. Hopefully not. But we will. We do have other things in the pantry. We have things in the refrigerator they could have, like fruits and vegetables. So you guys are good. All right, we're gonna get ready for Ezra now. Woo woo. Thanks, Kobe. Okay, you guys, and now we have Ezra who's going to show us his choices. Now, let's remember, I just asked them to get some breakfast items, some snacky items, and some lunch items. So, he's my pickiest kid, but he did all right. Go ahead.
So, we got a big, huge...
cantaloupe, and this do you remember how much a cantaloupe was?
9 cents.
9 cents. It was like on a super app saving. So we got one. And then what else?
We got some Doritos.
He loves the snacks, so he'll have that maybe with some chip or with a sandwich or something like that. Or just if he wants a snack. And then that probably will go with these. What's that, Ez? Pringles.
The original ones are the best.
Okay, good to know, right guys? And then when we walked in, this was the display that remember I showed you?
Yep.
Goldfish. These are the rainbow ones.
Always.
It says it's sourced from plants. All right.
We got Capri Sun.
Now, I don't normally buy Capri Sun, so that was kind of fun that you got to get something different for you.
Because it's so hot outside that I cannot stand it.
It's 106 outside. We're like sweating. It was so bad, huh? Goodness. Okay. And then for lunches, I'll hold one, you hold one.
Mac and cheese.
So I figured he could eat about half of one maybe for one lunch, and then the next day have the next one, the other half. And so that's like 4 days of lunches here. So that's pretty good. You'll make sure you have like little veggies with that or your cantaloupe. And then last but not least,
Waffles.
now he wanted really badly to get the chocolate chip ones, but they didn't have them in his price bracket. So he opted to get strawberry. Now I know these are like choices that maybe should be more sparingly, and if I had bought them, I probably would have bought some different kinds of things. But it's special. It's Kids' Choice Week, so we have enough in our freezer right now to make plenty of dinners that are going to be healthy, and it's good. So these are going to be their choices. They can make their own breakfast in the morning. You can get a little chair, make your own toaster, and put it in the toaster by yourself. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to tell everybody goodbye?
Bye.
Say thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for stopping by.
And we're so grateful to all of you guys. Thanks for stopping by the channel and let us know what you think about these kids' choices. Oh, we're going to get there with the more healthier stuff, but for right now, convenience is best for the little boys. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day and stick around, rollers. You just never know.
We're rolling out next.
Bye, everyone.